Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start our next lesson from Ikra Phonic Reader 1. As you know that we have done a previous 4 lesson from the same book, and we have done first sound of vowels of A, E, I and U. A, E, I and O. And today we are going to do first sound of U. And what is first sound of U? O. So let's start. Yes, today we are going to start first sound of vowels में letter U की first sound. And what is the first sound of U? A. Yes. And as you know that we have discussed about vowel sounds and consonant sound, words which produce with the closed mouth एंड दे आर कॉल्ड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. जैसा कि आप लोगों को नज़र आ रहे हैं जो कलर में हैं वो सारे वॉल साउंड हैं, वॉल लेटर्स हैं और उनसे वॉल साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती हैं. और जो दूसरी तरह बाकी सारे हमें नज़र आ रहे हैं वो सारे कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर हैं, उनसे जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स कहलाती हैं. और वॉल साउंड्स किसको कहते हैं? साउंड्स विच आर प्रोड्यूस विद ओपन माउथ. रिमेंबर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर रीडिंग फ्रॉम Ikra Phonic Reader 1. Okay, first we are going to unglue the sounds and then we are going to glue it. K, k, a, b, khab. T, a, b, tab. एंड वॉट यू हैव टू डू स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग पॉज करें कि वीडियो को, और आप लोग इस मेरे साथ भी पढ़ सकते हैं, और अगर पॉज करके वैसे भी खुद से पढ़ना चाहें तो पढ़ सकते हैं. लेट्स रीड वन मोर टाइम. K, a, b, khab. T, a, b, tab. B, a, d, bud. जैसा कि पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा होता है, स्मॉल फ्लावर इज कॉल्ड bud. ओके. A, d, mud. B, a, bun. S, a, sun. Let's read next one. A, t, nut. जैसा कि पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ a, t, hut. और I've told you कि हमें एच की साउंड कैसे फील होती है. आप लोग अपने मुंह के सामने अपनी पाम रखें और फिर इसकी साउंड प्रोड्यूस करें तो आपको पफ ऑफ एयर अपनी पाम पर फील होगा. a, t, hut. B, a, s, bus. First sound of S. A, g. First sound of G. Mug. Okay, in the same way you have to read this page at least for 5 times and don't forget to memorize these words also. बेटा आपने इसके words भी अच्छे से memorize करने हैं. Yes, you have to read all these words for 5 times and you have to learn their spellings as well. Okay, because there is an activity related to these lessons which we have done before, which is first sound of vowels की जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज़ अभी तक हमने की हैं उससे रिलेटेड एक और नई एक्टिविटी करेंगे. तो आप लोगों को ये स्पेलिंग अगर लर्न होंगे तो यू विल able to do that activity. Is that clear? So let's start our copy work. Oh, one more thing students, we have to do our picture sentence. Let's read our picture sentence first. So this is a picture and let's read it. Okay, we can see in the picture there are two boys, Bub and Dub, run in the sun. Yes, we can see they are in the sun and their names are Bub and Dub, run in the sun. Yes, you also have to read this and learn their spellings as well. Now let's do a work on copy. Okay, before starting your work, as I've told you before also, okay, your pencil, the lead of your pencil should be sharp. इसको sharp कर लें properly work start करने से पहले, and you should have to keep your stationery item with you also while you will start your work. Let's start our work. So here is the first page एंड यहाँ पे इंडेक्स लिखा हुआ है और हमने यहीं पे वर्क, क्योंकि अब हमारा प्रीवियस वर्क अभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ था तो हम यहीं से इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट वर्ड्स विद यू. तो यहाँ पर ऐड कर लेते हैं यू भी. and our page number and serial number and date will be same because we are not going to change them. It's our previous work, not the new one. Okay, let's start doing our work on copy. So this is our first page and now we are going to do our work on second one. First we will write our topic name, which is sound with U. Let's write like this. You will write your topic and after that you have to double underline it. Yes, like this you have to double underline it, and after that you have to open your copy at page number 7. Not copy your book, which is Iqra phonic reader 1. Okay, so we are going to write any 4 words from your page number 7 of Iqra phonic reader 1. Let's start writing. First we'll write number. Yes, it's number 1, and here we are going to write cub. Okay, we'll write second one, which is hut. Okay, let's write third one, mud. Okay, it's mud, so we have to write it like this. Do your work carefully. You should not have to make any mistake in your work. Don't make any mistake. Okay, let's write last one, tub. Yes, let's write tub. So that's all. We have done our first work on the copy, which is first sound of A, E, O and U. You also have to do your work neatly, and we'll not going to change our date because date will be same. We have done our work on the previous page. So this is complete, and don't forget to read your lesson and memorize these words. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.